When we are in relationship with our heart, we feel truly alive. When we connect with our heart, it feels natural. For the heart carries a true imprint of the love that we are. We are worthy to sit at the altar of our heart. It is home. It is our center. It is the portal to who we truly are. Welcome to the Sacred Heart Meditation. To begin, take a meditative seat or your favorite meditative posture. Bring any movements into your body to feel more comfortable and at ease. Find alertness in your spine in whatever posture you've chosen. Closing your eyes or softening your gaze, allow your mind to turn inward, finding its way home. Briefly become aware of the sounds that you hear. The taste in your mouth. The aroma in your room. Become aware of the space in which you are practicing, aware of the textures, sensations, clothing on your skin, and any props or the floor beneath you. Aware of the air and the space around you. Observe your temperature. Within stillness, notice the fluidity of movement of breath, digestion, and the heart steadily pumping blood throughout your limbs. Drop down even further to notice your friend, the breath. Feeling your breath in the nasal flares, the expansion and contraction of breath, the rising and falling of breath within the body. Connecting to the depth of each breath. The flow, wave after wave, drawing you into the very root of your breath. As you continue to connect to your breathing, all of the outside sounds and distractions fade into the background. Like pebbles in a calm body of water, one by one, you surrender the noticing mind, the thinking mind, the judging mind, and the worrying mind, and you watch them reverberate and disappear. Body, mind, and soul unite in breath. Let these 3 points of yourself connect to your heart space. Become aware of your pulse, your throbbing heart, a sense of vibrational energy throughout your entire being, setting an intention within your heart space to connect to your very own sacred heart, your own inner wisdom. Allow the pulsing, the vibration to soothe your nervous system and bring you into deeper connection with yourself. Imagining now that you can go even deeper within this space, moving your mind and awareness into the cave of your heart. Visualizing within this heart space that there is perhaps a wall with a door, or maybe it is a sense of energy, a glow, or a temperature that draws you or directs you to an opening. A curiosity, a sense of peace, an inner knowing that this is a place made just for you, a sanctuary within yourself, always there and waiting for you to enter. You feel this inviting energy towards this portal or entryway into the center of your heart. As you draw your awareness to the space, it opens for you with effortlessness. And you have a deep understanding that you must leave the heavy baggage of impurities, the shame and guilt, the doubt and judgment, and the anger and resentment all at the door. You are in fact happy to leave it all outside the entryway into the cave of your heart. You feel a subtle breeze on your skin as you enter the cave of your heart. As you enter the depth, you release your attention towards a deep silence and come to rest on a flame that illuminates this space. The flame of light fills the space with shadows, light and darkness, and they dance on the cave of the heart. It's peaceful and calming, comforting, and hypnotic. You are immediately aware of a circle of protective energy around your body like a cocoon. You feel a sense of home, spaciousness. You feel a deep sense of love emanating within the space, the air, and the flame itself. And within the flame, in the cave of your heart, an altar appears before you. An inviting pillow to seat yourself on appears at the altar. And as you sit at the altar within your heart, the flame of light flickers. Your concentration floats to the tip of the flame. You feel as you sit at the altar a deeper knowing and connection to divinity, to your consciousness. You feel an expansion of the universe, a connection to something much greater than yourself, and it feels holy and sacred. You may feel you now have access to a deeper intelligence. You may receive answers to questions you have had, or feel an opening of creativity within you. An inner intelligence, an accessible guide on the journey through life towards right action. You feel a deep sense of calm and peace in the physical body, the aches and pains of reality, of experience and memories. You feel those things are dropping away, no longer a part of you. And you know that here it is safe to shed the judgment, the pain, the layers of hurt and criticism and fear, all dropping away. The earth rises up to support you during this surrender, and you feel an immense love for yourself and for all beings everywhere. This sense of unconditional love is comforting, like a soul hug. A deep knowing that all is well and all will be well. Your physical body feels light and free of gravity, filled with vitality. You feel forgiveness towards yourself and others who have harmed or hurt you, and deep gratitude for all of these experiences and lessons that have brought you to this point. Gratitude for this breath and this body that you have been given to experience life. Gratitude for the nourishment and the sustenance of nature. And gratitude for this place within yourself where there is absolute peace. You ask this deep inner wisdom and knowing to continue to remain with you long after this meditation. Sacred love that is at the center of your heart expands beyond yourself, and this love and spaciousness and consciousness grows all around you. And you feel it within your organs, tissues, your skin, and the space around your body. You feel the sense of love all around you, inches, even feet, surrounding your body. An orb of love, safety, protection, peace, and calm. You feel light, held, capable of surrender, a continued softening. You feel nurtured. You may feel healing. The entire space around you vibrates, pulsates within your heart, and all around you, connecting you to other beings and energetic fields in space. At the altar of your heart, you are both here in your body and everywhere, all at once. As you draw your awareness back from the space around you, continue to maintain the space of that vibrational energy, bringing it back into the cave of your heart. Sitting at the altar, concentrating on the flame, breathing in the space that this is home, this is bliss. The reminder that no matter what happens, no matter where you are, no matter what occurs, no matter what energy enters your field, that this is home. This is an inner sanctuary always available to you. This deep inner wisdom and connection to something bigger than yourself is always here within the space of your heart. You know that anytime you visit this inner sanctuary, that it strengthens your relationship with yourself and your Creator. Being here is prayer, is meditation, is the knowing that you are seen, heard, worthy, and loved. You feel what an honor it is to take a seat at the altar of your heart. Take the comfort that you feel now and begin to draw it back into your body in meditative posture, observing the alertness of your spine, the textures, the temperature, the taste, the aroma, the sounds. Even without opening your eyes, the presence of where you are in space and the objects around you. And you begin to move slightly your fingers, your toes. Move and stretch as you are called to do, and awaken back. Take a full body yawn and gently blink your eyes, letting in the light, returning to the life that is birthing before your very eyes.